godforsaken. What are these? Wow, they're so cute. But I don't know what the hell they are.
10,000 likes चाहिए.
Sim!
1 लाख like दे दो.
Sim!
1 million like दे दो भाई.
Ow! Stop it! Ronnie! After like 2 months of buying this, I'm finally unboxing it. I know nothing about it. Okay, so this is GoPro 11 editor creator edition. Let me try and guess what is what, right? Oh my god, it's heavy. Evidently this is like the what you hold, right?
Yeah, that's a tripod.
Alright, the tripod. This is the main shit. Should I take all this off?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh shit, my dear.
Easier with me. Yeah.
Whoo. May all the great content follow. So I'm guessing this goes somewhere. This is flash, battery. This is the waterproof thing. Should I insert it? And how do you do that?
Unlock it.
Hi you guys. Ronnie, come, I'm unboxing the GoPro.
See, Afan gave me this. Automatically gun.
Round 1. Fight!
Ow! Stop it! Ronnie! What is this? Guys, I'm filming. What? 0 F's given. Ronnie, I'm filming. I have to put this inside this case, Ronnie. Can you help me?
Yeah.
This is the main thing. The case, the flash, the battery and the tripod. And then I think all the cable and stuff is here. Chargers. Okay, this is something. We'll see. Very spongy. Another mount. The cables. And godforsaken. What are these? Wow, they're so cute. But I don't know what the hell they are. Now we have to put this together. Can you guys help me? We'll go through the guide. No, this is memory card. We don't need that now. Okay, so oh yeah, here are the instructions. Okay, this is a task. Okay, we are a team and we have to do this together. Come.
I am also there.
Yes, of course. You're always in our team, baby. Okay, so first is this main thing. Okay, we got that. We have to put the battery inside. So this is the battery. Hold it. I think it's on the other side. It's on the closest to the bigger one. Close to the bigger one. Here, close to the bigger one. Can I help you? Give me.
Ronnie, open that one.
Oh my god, this is so complete. Well, you guys have taken over. What is this? Can I do it? Yeah. Exactly. Wait a second. Oh my god. Okay, Shoaib helped us open that. It's very clear instructions. Okay, we have the battery now. Afan, can you show the battery to everybody? Yes. Okay, step number 2.
No.
SIM 2.
SIM.
Memory card. That's not a SIM card, it's a memory card. Yeah, got it.
Which way to put it in? Ronnie.
Guys, you'll see the video in pieces because Shoaib is like literally doing everything, filming and oh wow, that's a beauty. What a great video. Okay, hang on, let me, 1 sec. You guys have to show patience. Yes, everybody has to show patience, okay? So it goes in like that. Can I? Careful, no forcing anything into anything. There you go. From I unboxing it to Ronnie and Afan and now Gautam is involved. Shoaib was throughout involved.
You know, I shove it in straight, oh?
Yeah.
That's the tone. Awesome. Oh my god, I can't swear they're kids. Next, guys.
Tripod.
Someone else. Tripod time.
This guy, bullet is on.
Gautam, stop playing with the gun. Help him.
Give. Leave.
Why did I?
Yeah.
My family, this is literally what happens in a house every day.
Guys,
Guys, can you not talk now? Oh my god. Guys, the gun team has to stop. Ronnie, don't force it. Okay, fine. Can you guys stop it? Okay, Ronnie, let me just
This gun is stubborn.
And that's it.
Yep.
Oh, we are set. Ah! This is like my, you know how Thor has a hammer? This is my hammer.
I didn't think so. It's not possible.
Darling, you have no idea what's possible.
Shh. I possess you to forever not fall for any other women besides the women in your house. That's your mother, grandmother, and I. Ronnie found his bullet. Ronnie found his bullet. Let's do a dance. Jhumka गिरा दे करेंगे आइए.
नहीं जवान क्या करते हैं ना।
जवान का कौन सा गाना मुझे तो देखा, मुझे एक भी गाना नहीं पता जवान का। बोलिए कैसा आप स्टेप दिखाइए, मैं करती हूँ। इधर आइए, इधर आके दिखाइए, सबको दिखाइए।
कैसे दिखाऊं?
जैसे आप मन करें।
अच्छा जब वो ट्रेन में आकर बैठता है ना वो सीन करता हूँ।
जी करिए। I'll sit here and watch.
तालियां हो जाए, तालियां।
तालियां बजाओ सब।
नहीं
बहुत बढ़िया।
अभी दिखाता हूँ।
जी।
अरे मोहतरमा उठिए, अभी तालियां।
Very nice, Amma. That was amazing. Amma.
हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार। आज मैं इनवाइट करता हूँ हमारे इंडिया के मोदी जी को। आइए मोदी जी, आइए।
चाहिए मोदी जी।
आइए मोदी जी।
चाहिए मोदी जी।
तालियां हो जाए, तालियां हो जाए। आइए मोदी जी, आपने ही तो चंद्रयान 3 का आयोजन किया था। आइए, हार लाइए, हार हार हार।
हार बनाइए मोदी जी को, हार बनाइए, हार बनाइए।
और आपके बाल वाइट है ना, क्यों ये विग पहन कर घूम रहे? शब्द दीजिए। अरे आप क्या करेंगे? आप तो टॉय गन लेकर घूमते हैं, हम तो रियल गन लेकर घूमते हैं। तो आज की ये न्यूज़ मैं बंद करता हूँ। नमस्कार, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, रिनिमा आंटी चैनल।
रिनिमा आंटी
ये भी कहो।
चैनल रिनिमा आंटी।
तो इस वीडियो में हमें एटलीस्ट 10,000 लाइक्स चाहिए।
सिर्फ
1 लाख लाइक दे दो,
सिर्फ
1 मिलियन लाइक दे दो भाई।
Yes, bhai, de do bhai. So half of the footage is from the GoPro in the last half. So much fun, dude. This whole thing turned out so impromptu, but that's literally a day in my life at home. Everyone surrounding me wherever I am. But on that note, bye. See you now. I have 2 cameras. But I'll see you guys in another one. Love you. And like Afan said, don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye, you guys. More content coming soon.